Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how we can install OnStream on Android TV. Let's get started. Now, unfortunately, the OnStream app is currently unavailable for download on the regular app stores. However, there is an alternate way you can go about this. So what you'll need to do is make sure you have enabled side loading on your device. Open the downloader app and into the search bar, simply type in 28907, then click go. Now, wait for my download page to load fully, then press menu, and then once you've done that, on your remote, 2 times, enter full screen mode. Now select the movies and TV category list from the list and at the top of the page, or move down to view the movies and TV category. Find the OnStream app in the list and select it. On the next page, move down until you see the blue download button. Now select the download Fire TV/Android TV button, then simply select install. Once the app has finished installing, you can go ahead and delete the installation files, and now you have successfully downloaded OnStream onto your device. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.